How's everybody doing? This is Neff with Nocturnal Labs, here with another update. Remember, hit that like and subscribe. Well, check this out. Another part came in. Let's see what we got. Oh, another sticker for the grinder. Woo! Alright, see what we got here. Yeah, baby. Look at that. Ooh. Nice belts, baby. Yeah. I went with Red Label abrasives. And, you know, never tried them before, but that's why we're doing this whole videos and stuff, so we can see from beginning to end what's the best for grinding. So that's it. Imagine how nice this baby's gonna look. Look at this chromed out rim. Oh baby, chrome. Alright, so where should we put the sticker? See. Too big. Oh, I'll put it right here. Nope, can't see it. Yeah, we'll see where we can put this bad boy. Boom. What you guys think? Think it's gonna look nice. Oh, alright, we'll figure out later where we're gonna put it. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.